How to use the tool of exaggeration to change your life. Keep watching.
I'm inspired. I'm inspired.
Hey there guys, how's it going? My name is Sumit Chatterjee. I'm a flow state coach. That means I help you feel better and perform better. I posted another video today on IGTV. However, I still wanted to give a bunch of value to you guys, so I wanted to make a quick video about the power of exaggeration. Now, I mentioned this in my book TPM, Theatro-Plasticity Method. This is available on Amazon.com. If you want, go get a copy. It's also on Kindle. Basically, the idea of exaggeration that I had is it's so powerful for frame control, right? Because if someone gives you a certain frame of reality, if you exaggerate it, what are you saying to that? It means that you're not taking that reality seriously. So you can do this with your problems in a sense where not exactly exaggerating your problems, but let's say someone gives you a certain frame of reference that doesn't jive with you. It just doesn't vibe with your reality. You exaggerate it to the point where it sounds ridiculous to your subconscious mind, and that actually lets it go. If someone's like, "Oh man, you're so lazy," you go like, I can't even lift a finger. I can't even lift a finger, mate, right? And you just exaggerate. It's just a portion of humor, right? A big part of humor is surprise. So that's another technique. However, exaggeration is such a powerful one because what you're doing is you're amplifying it. When you see all these WWE wrestlers or whatever, like MMA fighters, right? They walk into the ring, they have their theme song, and they might have an exaggerated walk-in, right? What are they doing? They're adding theatricality to the mix. They're making their rituals interesting, right? They're making a show out of their life. Now, a lot of the times we don't do this. We don't walk into a venue or to a coffee shop where we're like actually engaging with anybody. So you can actually use this tool of exaggeration of you have an already existing persona, right? A character that you're playing. If you just turn up that character just a tad bit, exaggerate it, it can actually amplify, right? This amplification technique of just amplifying everything around you. If you're a man who's with a woman right now, you'll notice that your woman is an amplifier. This is a very powerful technique that I'm sharing with you guys, okay? Your woman is your amplifier. So whatever you feel, she feels double. If you feel crappy in your body, she feels that double, right? She amplifies the energy back to you. If you feel amazing, she's gonna feel even more amazing. Where was I going with this, man? I started talking about exaggeration and I started talking about something else. But anyway, the thing is, when you exaggerate the different things that you're going through, you can easily let it go because your mind doesn't register it as serious, okay? I'll give you another example. Let's say that you get very angry all of a sudden. You get pissed off at something. Even that word, pissed off, right? It makes you more pissed off. So if you just say, "I'm peeved," or something like this, another word, it just makes you laugh, right, in a sense. So you can get very angry and record yourself on your phone. And what I do is, like, I'll get angry right now. "I can't believe what the hell are you talking about, man?" Okay, and you just exaggerate it, where you start to look at yourself as a ridiculous character, like getting angry, like squelching up their face, like yelling profanities at the camera, like just at the point where it just sounds bizarre, right? It sounds abstract at a certain point. It's like, wait, you called me a what? You know? And this is a very powerful technique that I've noticed because it transmutes anger into laughter. Once you become this emotional alchemist, you can do this with other things that are coming your way as well, right? Now, I know a lot of people who can, they're having a fight with their girlfriend or whatever, they can transform that anger into lust. And this is just a skill set that you have to build over time, right? It doesn't happen overnight automatically. But once you start practicing with the resistance, practicing how you respond to the rejections, practicing how you respond to people's emotional states, and the application of this tool of exaggeration is really within the fine nuances of your experiences with others and yourself, okay? So I hope this video helps you out today. Have an incredible day. May the flow be with you and stay legendary. Let's get it today. Boom.